Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply stake your Ethereum on Binance. It's quite simple. All you're going to need to do is make sure you have a Binance account. And by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, once you've logged in with a verified account, head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen and you'd be dropped at the overview. So your next step is to scroll to your spot and click on transfer. Now by selecting the transfer, we're going to be transferring your available Ethereum by clicking on this Bitcoin here and searching for ETH. Click on ETH and exchange it. So I'm going to be moving all of my Ethereum from my funding to my spot wallet. Click on confirm transfer. Once it's done, simply reload and click on the Ethereum itself. You're going to see all the options for the Ethereum, and where it says Binance Earn, click on the Binance Earn option and you can see the Ethereum protected products, flexible trading, Ethereum staking, which is also here. We have the flexible staking, which you just put in an amount and set the time and the estimated rewards. So if you were to put in the max and click on confirm, you could then subscribe for a flexible period of days. You could also make use of the Ethereum staking. The Ethereum staking holds more percentage. So click on this, click on view the Ethereum staking process. Please make sure you read through all of this. Click on the Binance Ethereum historical data and click on the Binance Ethereum into warped Ethereum. Click on stake now. Click on max, enter the amount you wish, and then we're going to be staking from today till about 15 when our interest would then be distributed. Click on the stake option, click on I understand. You will not be able to make transfers with this. I have read. Please make sure you read the Binance 2.0 staking agreement. Click on the confirm option and stake is successful. So head over to your wallet, reload, and you would find that your Ethereum has currently been staked. It can be withdrawn and you have to wait till the day that was discussed. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can stake Ethereum on Binance and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.